Bonsoir les amis, this is Llyane Stanfield and you can find me at parisianfrench.com. Do you know how to use celle and celui in conversation? Well, if you don't, this is the video for you. I'm going to give you two examples, one for each, of phrases and contexts where you will see exactly how to use the two words, celle and celui. And I'm also going to give you the transcript. I'm going to write the transcript of the French examples in the description right after I finish this video. So, and after that, I'm going to tell you about the free scholarship. That is an amazing scholarship for which you have to put in your email address when you go to parisianfrench.com so that you can find out what you have to do in order to qualify. Everybody qualifies, but we have to choose somehow. So what you have to do, you can only find out if you put in your email address at parisianfrench.com, and I hope you will. So here are the examples. Regarde ces deux filles, celle qui mange est ma sœur. Celle que tu vois là-bas est son amie. Look at these two girls. The one who eats is my sister. The one that you see there is her friend. Regarde ces deux garçons. Celui qui dort est mon frère. Celui que tu vois là-bas est son ami. Look at these boys, these two boys. The one who sleeps is my brother. The one that you can see there is his friend. So I'm going to say the French again, and you're going to see the writing, the transcript right after this. After I finish the video. Regarde ces deux filles. Celle qui mange est ma sœur. Celle que tu vois là-bas est son amie. Regarde ces deux garçons. Celui qui dort est mon frère. Celui que tu vois là-bas est son ami. So that's what I had for you for today, and about the free scholarship, I'm going to repeat. You have to go to parisianfrench.com, put in your email address, and this Sunday in the webinar, in the free training this Sunday, which you will have access to if you put your email address in there, you're going to find out what it is you have to do in order to qualify. Everybody qualifies, but we have to choose somehow. So you have to do a few things in order to qualify for the scholarship, and then we'll have a draw, and then someone will win. As I was saying yesterday, I actually won something like this for a course that I was looking for to have. To take, so I know how it feels. It was my first time winning something, and because it felt so great, I really want to give you the same thing now for the holidays. So that's all I had for you for today. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much for watching these, liking and giving me suggestions, and don't ever give up on your dream to become bilingual. Learn to speak Parisian French and break the language barrier. Merci beaucoup et à la prochaine. Au revoir.